city is willing to help whenever asked instantly.
Did you get a ring?
What is that, a mummy guy?
Both of those organizations is to do it safely. Bus service will continue to increase.
There's a buggy.
Whoa.
Whoa, Debbie!
Stick?
Debbie!
You got your bracelet? What's in here? What's all the stuff in here? And I see you already got this one.
She ate like 2 out there.
I know. Hey, mommy will get it. Mommy will get it.
Hi.
Huh? You want keys? Come on. Up. You want it?
I think there's probably a razor blade in this one. There's probably poison in that one. Definitely poison in this one.
Give me your side out. What you say?
The Whoppers. Wait, we have these here.
There's some PVCs in there.
That's definitely ours. So this is Ruby's candy, and this is our candy.
Did you eat your candy already? You ate? No. Eat this one first. Eat this one. You want this one? Eat this one.
No.
Daddy, eat that one.
Oh, I got one.
Are you going to be the candy tester to make sure there's no razor blades in it?
Mm-hmm.
Test all of the candies out?
That could be. Look. That's what we're going to do. I emailed it to us. Eat candy.